To create a step-by-step guide for beginners on making money online with Vine 2.0 in 2024, we'll need to consider the following points. Introduction to Vine 2.0. Briefly explain what Vine 2.0 is, its features, and why it's a platform to consider for making money online. Setting up a Vine 2.0 account. Explain the process of creating an account on Vine 2.0, including signing up, verifying your email, and completing your profile. Content creation. Discuss the importance of creating engaging, high-quality, and unique content on Vine 2.0. Provide tips on brainstorming ideas, editing videos, and choosing the right music or sound effects. Building an audience. Explain how to promote your Vine 2.0 content on other social media platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your followers to grow your audience. Monetization strategies. Introduce various ways to make money on Vine 2.0, such as A. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. Explain how to approach brands, negotiate deals, and create sponsored content that aligns with your audience's interests. B. Merchandise and product sales. Describe how to design and sell merchandise related to your Vine 2.0 content, such as t-shirts, stickers, or other items. C. Crowdfunding and fan support. Explain how to use platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to receive monthly support from your fans in exchange for exclusive content or perks. D. Affiliate marketing. Introduce affiliate marketing and how to promote products or services from other companies in your Vine 2.0 content and earn a commission from each sale. Engagement and community building. Discuss the importance of maintaining a positive relationship with your audience, responding to comments and messages, and fostering a supportive community around your content. Analytics and performance tracking. Explain how to use Vine 2.0's built-in analytics tools or external analytics platforms to track your content's performance, identify trends, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Staying up to date with platform changes. Emphasize the importance of staying informed about Vine 2.0's updates, changes, and new features to adapt your strategy and make the most of the platform. Additional tips for success. Share some final tips for beginners, such as staying consistent with your content, being patient with growth, and continuously learning and improving your skills. Conclusion. Summarize the key points of the guide and encourage readers to start their journey on Vine 2.0 with confidence and dedication.